Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making the ultimate beef stew. This is super quick, easy, and delicious. So before we jump into this video, I would like to encourage you to please go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below, hit the notification bell. I would encourage you also to share this video, like, and comment. Alright, I hope you guys are having a fabulous day. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So these are our ingredients: some beef, I have some mushrooms, onions, baby carrots, baby tomatoes, some celery, some soy sauce, ginger and garlic, habanero peppers, tomato paste, black pepper, chicken and beef bouillon, onion, garlic powder, and smoked paprika, house green seasoning, some Worcestershire sauce. So what we'll do is season our meat. I had the Worcestershire sauce and the soy sauce, in-house green seasoning. If you don't have this, that is just fine. Onion, garlic powder, and some smoked paprika, some black pepper, some beef and chicken bouillon, and we'll mix everything well. Make sure it is well combined. The meat is well seasoned. I had some habanero peppers, garlic, diced garlic, and ginger. This smells amazing. I can't wait to dig in, guys. All right, let that sit for a second. So in my hot pan, I'll be adding some oil, about 3 tablespoons, and I'll go ahead and brown my meat. All right, so when it's browned on both sides, you give it a good stir. Okay, our meat looks amazing, and we would have kept this in the pan for about 5 to 7 minutes. Now we will remove from pan. So in the same pan, we'll go ahead and add our tomato paste. We're gonna cook this out for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I go in with my diced onions, my celery, and continue to stir. Just add just a little bit more of oil. Now I go in with my mushrooms. All right, we're gonna give that a good stir. I know the bottom of the pan may look like it's burnt, but that is just all the flavor that is there. I just added some fresh parsley, go in with my carrots, and continue to stir. Now this usually takes about 4 minutes. Now we go in with our red wine, and I'm using half a cup of cooking red wine. Now here is where we'll deglaze the pan. All the flavor, we're gonna bring it back into our pot. Oh my gosh, look at this, guys. Now we will re-add our meat, pour all that juice in there. Give this a really good stir. Add my baby potatoes and some crushed tomatoes and some more fresh parsley. So after the wine is cooked out for about 3 to 4 minutes, now I did add 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Give that a good stir, and I did add 2 cups of beef broth, and allow this to cook in medium high. So after about 45 minutes to an hour, our beef stew is looking good, and it is done. Looks amazing, guys. Look at that. So now it's time for us to dig in. Yes. Now that's the ultimate beef stew. Guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, like, share, and comment. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Do enjoy. See you on the next video. Bye bye.